How does the insurance industry work?
We negotiate on your behalf to obtain the best coverage at the lowest premium from the insurance companies. So what exactly is the difference between a hard and soft insurance market?
All financial markets around the world have market phases. In insurance terms, it's called a hard and a soft market.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about hard versus soft insurance markets. What does that mean? Well, it basically refers to the availability and cost of insurance. In a hard insurance market, insurance is more difficult to get and it's more expensive. In a soft insurance market, insurance is easier to get and it's less expensive. So what causes hard and soft insurance markets? Well, there are a few factors. One factor is the overall state of the economy. If the economy is doing well, there's less risk of people filing insurance claims, so insurance companies are more willing to write policies and they can offer lower rates. But if the economy is doing poorly, there's more risk of people filing claims, so insurance companies are more cautious about writing policies and they have to charge higher rates. Have you ever wondered why your insurance premiums might be higher if you live in an area prone to natural disasters? Another factor that can affect hard and soft insurance markets is the weather. If there's been a lot of natural disasters in a particular area, insurance companies are going to be more cautious about writing policies in that area because they know there's a higher risk of claims. This can lead to higher rates for people who live in those areas. To protect themselves, insurance companies adjust their rates to reflect the higher risk, and that often means higher premiums for individuals living in those areas. But fear not! Governments often step in to provide support to individuals in disaster-prone areas. They may establish state-backed insurance programs or act as reinsurers to ensure that coverage is still accessible, albeit at potentially higher costs. So what are some of the signs of a hard insurance market? Well, one sign is that it's more difficult to get insurance. You may have to shop around to find an insurance company that will write you a policy, and you may have to pay higher rates. Another sign of a hard insurance market is that insurance companies may start to offer fewer coverage options. They may also start to exclude certain risks from coverage. What about soft insurance markets? Well, the opposite is true. In a soft insurance market, it's easier to get insurance and less expensive. Insurance companies are more willing to write policies and they can offer lower rates because there's less risk of claims. With decreased risk of claims, insurance companies can afford to offer lower rates. This means that individuals and businesses can secure insurance coverage at more affordable premiums. In a soft insurance market, insurance companies feel more confident in assuming risk because the likelihood of large-scale claims is relatively low. This confidence allows them to provide coverage without significant restrictions or exclusions. Unlike in a hard insurance market, where certain risks may be excluded from coverage, in a soft insurance market you'll find a more comprehensive and inclusive approach. Additionally, in a soft insurance market, insurance companies may be more flexible when it comes to underwriting standards. This means that individuals with a slightly higher risk profile may still be able to obtain coverage without facing excessive scrutiny or higher premiums. Soft insurance markets can be beneficial for individuals, businesses, and the economy as a whole. With affordable coverage options readily available, people can protect their assets and investments without breaking the bank. So what can you do if you're in a hard insurance market? Dealing with limited coverage options and higher rates can be challenging, but fear not. We've got some tips and strategies to help you navigate this situation. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand the factors contributing to a hard insurance market. Weather events, economic conditions, and industry trends can all play a role. Educate yourself about these factors to better grasp the situation you're facing. Next, consider shopping around for insurance coverage. Even in a hard market, different insurance companies may have varying underwriting standards and pricing models. By exploring multiple options, you may find a company that is more willing to provide coverage at a reasonable rate. Another strategy is to work with an independent insurance agent or broker. These professionals have access to multiple insurance companies and can help you find the best coverage options available in the market. If you're struggling to secure coverage for a specific risk, consider reaching out to specialized insurance providers. These companies often focus on high-risk areas or unique risks and may have more tailored solutions available. In some cases, you may need to be proactive in mitigating risks to make yourself more attractive to insurance companies. implementing safety measures such as installing security systems, fire alarms, or hurricane shutters can demonstrate your commitment to risk management. Additionally, consider bundling your insurance policies. Combining multiple policies such as auto and home insurance with the same provider can sometimes lead to discounts or more favorable rates. Lastly, stay informed about any government initiatives or programs designed to assist individuals in hard insurance markets. These programs may provide alternative options for coverage or financial assistance to make insurance more accessible. The future of insurance markets, whether hard or soft, is inherently uncertain. The economy is in a constant state of flux, and weather patterns are becoming increasingly unpredictable due to climate change. These factors contribute to the ebb and flow of insurance market cycles. One thing is for sure, the insurance industry is continually evolving to adapt to these changing conditions. Insurance companies are constantly reassessing their underwriting practices, risk assessment models, and pricing strategies. With advancements in technology and data analytics, insurance companies have access to more information than ever before. This allows them to better assess risks, price policies accurately, and make informed decisions about coverage options. While it's difficult to predict the exact future of hard versus soft insurance markets, one thing remains constant: the importance of being prepared. Individuals and businesses need to be proactive in understanding their risks, protecting their assets, and having the right insurance coverage in place. Regardless of the market conditions, it's crucial to stay informed about potential risks in your area. Stay updated on weather patterns, economic trends, and regulatory changes that could impact insurance availability and pricing. In a future where weather-related events may become more frequent and severe, it's essential to focus on risk mitigation and resilience. Investing in preventative measures such as reinforcing properties against natural disasters or implementing cybersecurity protocols can help reduce potential risks and make insurance more accessible. Ultimately, the future of insurance markets will be shaped by a complex interplay of economic, environmental, and societal factors. It's essential to stay adaptable, remain informed, and work with insurance professionals who can guide you through the evolving landscape. So what's the future of hard versus soft insurance markets? It's hard to say. The economy is constantly changing, and so are the weather patterns. That means that hard and soft insurance markets can come and go. But one thing is for sure, it's always important to be prepared for anything. Remember, whether we find ourselves in a hard or soft insurance market, the key is to be prepared. Take proactive steps to protect yourself, your loved ones, and your assets. Insurance is a crucial tool in managing risks and providing peace of mind. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.